Hello YouTube. It is Jordan and Sabrina too, and I'm gonna do this little review on this gun called the supasplat paintball gun. It's pretty cool. Got it yesterday for 20 bucks. Good deal, but alright. So this gun is kind of bad. I don't know why I got it, but for me, I think it's cool also, cause like it's also a water gun. So it's like a deal for 20 bucks and a paintball gun. I really like this because like it holds like a caliber ammo around it. So let's start. So like it has a pretty nice little barrel on top with some nice little magazines, whatever they are, tubes. Nice sign right there, super flat. This put this like right to your gun like that. Boom, you're ready to go. You've been waiting for really cool gun. I love it. This shoots around 130 feet long, very far for just a little toy paintball gun. Pretty far. Here is another accessory with this gun. This is the water gun part. Alright, and it's really cool. Love it. Handle. This is just like bring up your water. Boom! And this is also for the paintballs. And love it. Really cool. Shut up. And it's really cool. And so here's the paintballs in the back. So you want real quick. So here's one paintball. Be quiet. And so cool. I like it. Paintballs. So let's go try it out. So let's go out and let's do a little test fire. Real cool gun. So I'm gonna put it on my computer. Like, I'll show you the impact this gun can really do. But there's one bad thing about it. When you aim down your gun, like the paintballs would fall out. So I'll shoot like 3 of them right now. Look right. No, that's a bad view. Good enough. Trying to get you guys a good little view. Or is this gonna be okay? So let's start this bit up right now. Get one of these little tubes. Alright. Filling it up with 3. Better be good shots. Good shots. Put your all the way in. Tight. So here we go. Like a juggernaut. And for the bullseye, yeah. So I'll just do one more from far away this time. Actually 2. Alrighty. And Here's one for medium range. You should see it. And, oh yeah, I forgot to load it. What retard. And here's gonna be a real good one for long range. So yeah, that's the paintball blaster. Hope you enjoyed, and peace out.